Alright y'all, so today is the big day. This is me redecorating my kitchen. I need to get back to cooking. I need to get back to eating healthy, and the first start to doing that is getting my kitchen in order. So I'm about to go ahead and take care of this mess, as y'all can see, and get back to being myself.
Welcome to Lena Love, where Lena does all the stuff Lena loves.
As y'all can see, this is like the little area I had over here for all of my chargers, anything to do with my cameras, and all of my tools, because I was putting together a lot of stuff. I had a lot of extra screws and bolts and things like that, so I didn't really have a place for them to go, so I just put everything right here. So this is kind of like the junk area. So let's go ahead and declutter this. I've made this cabinet right here like the snack cabinet where I'm putting all of my snacks. So right now there's some chocolates, some goldfish, some croissants. So these are old, they went out yesterday. Got some cereal, and I have a bag of chips that I'm gonna put up here. So here's the chips. In today's video, I'm going to declutter, organize, and decorate my kitchen. And make sure y'all stick around for the final reveal, because you are not gonna wanna miss it. Alright y'all, so now we have gotten to the point where everything that's in the kitchen belongs in the kitchen. This is just like a box of appliances. Here's my panini maker. It's very dirty. Here's my kettle. I hope y'all didn't think I was going to be using this to make hot water for tea. I'm actually going to be using this to make hot water to dip my braids and twists. Here's my good old trusty George Foreman grill, and the best waffle maker ever, so says Amazon. And I can't forget my juicer. Alright y'all, so I wanted to show y'all the mess I went through to get this toaster oven. So I did some research, and this seemed to be one of the best toaster ovens money can buy. My favorite feature is the speed convection button, and it allows you to start cooking without having to preheat. Amazon had the best price, so I decided to order from there. But this is how that experience went. Like, did a truck drive over it or what? Yeah, look at that. The whole toaster oven is just smashed. Look at that, y'all. My toaster oven, I spent like almost $300 for this thing. This is how it shows up. So I ended up ordering another one. I was kind of pissed because there was nothing I could do. I ended up having to return the other one, and then the price went up. So I actually paid probably like almost $20 more for this. Alright guys, so this is the toaster oven. Thank goodness this one wasn't broken. That's what it looks like on the inside. Alright y'all, so we came a long way, but the kitchen is finally done. But I no longer have an excuse not to start my diet. Here's the before. And here's the after. If y'all made it this far into the video, go ahead and give me one of them likes and let me know what y'all think down in the comments. I have a few more room transformations to come, but I'm also going to be bringing you guys along on my weight loss journey to lose 50 pounds. Do you guys think I can do it? Well, either way, please go ahead and subscribe because I got a lot of pretty more cool videos to come. Bye y'all.